Hello, today we're going to talk about getting organized with Gmail. What's your essential question? So your essential question for today is, how can I keep my emails organized in Gmail? So this is an essential skill, especially if you want to be college and career ready. Your goal should be that you can organize your emails using Gmail stars and Gmail labels, and that you can use Google Tasks to create a to-do list. So let's start off with Gmail stars. So you can see on the left, you can label your emails using the star function. So to get to the stars, click on the gear and then choose See All Settings. You'll scroll down till you see the star section, and there's a number of presets: 1 star, 4 stars, all star. You're going to drag 3 stars from the not in use to the in use section in stars. And those will be the 3 that you'll use to label. Then click Save Changes at the very bottom, and you're all set. You can now click through the stars to label individual emails. Next, we're going to talk about Gmail labels. So locate the label section of your sidebar and click the plus sign and give your label a name, and then click Create. Select 3 emails from your inbox and label them by clicking the label icon. And you can see that for the labels themselves, I can give them I can color code my labels. So I'll choose 3 emails, I'll select them, and then I'll find that labels icon. Find the label that I want to add it to, so I'll add it to label 2, which I just made, and you can see I've labeled those emails, so now I know they're part of that section. I can unlabel them as well by going through the exact same process. And if I click through and I wanted to actually move them to that label, you see on the left, I've actually moved them to test label 2 by using the move icon at the top. So try it out. Lastly, I'm going to talk about Google Tasks. So first, it might be tricky to find the sidebar, but it's in the bottom right-hand corner, and if I click Show Sidebar, I'll be able to find the task icon. It's easy enough. I click Add Task, and now I have an item on my to-do list. So I'm going to click and type in Finish 0.8 for homework, because that's an assignment that I need to finish. And I can click these 3 dots if I wanted to delete or add a subtask or add a new list altogether, but I'm just going to type in some details about the assignment. The assignment is a poster project, so it reminds me of what I need to do, some details about it. After that, I'm going to choose a time and date when the task needs to be done. So I'll scroll through the calendar, I'll find a date where I'll have some time to work on it, and I'll put in a time that I need to get it done. Lastly, I'm going to click on the task when it's complete, and that gets rid of that item on the to-do list. I can always go back and undo it, or I can permanently delete some of these tasks. All right, start your task list. And there you have it, 3 quick tech tips for using Gmail. So now I want you to go practice. First, come up with your own Gmail star system for organizing emails. I recommend using 3 different types of stars. Then create at least 1 Gmail label for important emails where you can move or label emails in your inbox. And then lastly, add at least 3 tasks to your Google Task list that need to be done this week. Then show me, Mr. Otero, and I will check you off on the progress monitor.